Females are much drabber looking, but extremely choosy. They will only mate with the most impressive male, and they judge a male's worthiness by the sounds he makes. Birds go to great lengths to impress their partners. In the forests of New Guinea, they famously use colourful feathers and song to maximum effect. Birds of paradise. But in the western part of the island, these flamboyant birds share the forests with a rather unassuming-looking character, the Vogelkop bowerbird. He might lack the plumage, but he's got an extraordinary repertoire of song. And he's a wonderful mimic. Those are pigeon wing beats. That's a modest tiger parrot. And that a sulphur-crested cockatoo. Even more surprising, he's an avid collector with a very appreciative eye for colour. This male favours red,